In Idaho, Governor Brad Little today said he welcomes this long-awaited decision to uphold states' sovereignty. Senator Jim Risch out of Idaho said the Roe v. Wade decision from 1973 got it wrong, and he said today's Supreme Court decision is a step toward righting that wrong. Many Idaho lawmakers praised the state's trigger law, making it automatic that abortion in the state will soon become illegal.
We've known this moment was coming for quite some time. That does not mean that this monumental moment in time is any less shockingly devastating.
Idaho's trigger law regarding abortion was passed just 2 years ago in 2020, officially signed into law by Governor Brad Little. And with today's Supreme Court decision, it was automatically triggered, meaning there is now a 30-day countdown in the state until abortion becomes a felony crime punishable by 2 to 5 years in prison.
The Idaho trigger ban expressly exempts pregnant people from obtaining abortion care. The criminal penalties are imposed on providers who offer care.
There are limited exceptions to Idaho's soon-to-be abortion ban. It will only be allowed in cases of rape or incest, or if it is medically necessary to save a pregnant woman's life. In those cases, a rape or incest victim will have to give a copy of a police report to the doctor performing the abortion. And if it's to save a woman's life, doctors must be able to prove it's more likely than not and in good faith medical judgment necessary to prevent the death of a pregnant woman. Experts, though, worry about who will be impacted most by the new ban.
Once again, our nation's most vulnerable communities, which are communities of color, immigrants, the LGBT communities, young people, people struggling to make ends meet, will be disproportionately impacted by this particular decision.
The law also makes it clear an abortion is not viewed as necessary if a doctor believes the pregnant woman might hurt herself.
It is not exactly clear to me when we're talking about health, safety, life, if we're talking about catastrophic incidents or occurrences, and this type of law could find itself winding its way through Idaho courts.
Now, Idaho Planned Parenthood and other abortion providers say they will continue providing procedures for the next 30 days. After that, they will continue to be a resource, they said, for women in the state, making sure they know their options, even if it comes to traveling to another state like Washington for the care they need. Now, we will continue to bring you updates all night long regarding this landmark decision. For any of the information that we have brought you tonight, you can text the word court to 509-448-2000, and we will send a link right to your phone, and you can always visit us online at KREM.com.